More skeletons continue to tumble out of Changur Baba's closet. While the ED has accessed 18 bank accounts related to Changur Baba, probe has also revealed that he used code words to hide his real activities while talking to his aides. Watch our next report.
Project मिट्टी पलटना, काजल लगाना and darshan, innocuous sounding words, were actually sinister code words used by Jamaluddin alias Changur Baba in his conversion racket. While Project referred to women, mitti palatna meant religious conversion, kajal lagana meant manipulation, and Didar referred to introducing targeted Hindu girls to Changur Baba. These words were used by Changur to communicate with his aides, who used romantic traps and financial allurement to lure mainly unsuspecting young Hindu women and men. Promises of marriage, financial incentives, foreign travel, jobs and scholarships were used. A close aide of Changur Baba has exposed his nefarious plot and claimed that there was a nexus between him and notorious Rabbani gang, which is into land grab and extortion.
लोनावला में ज़मीन था, उस ज़मीन का एग्रीमेंट इन्होंने मेरे साथ में किया। उसी ज़मीन के सिलसिले में मेरा इनका विवाद हुआ, इन्होंने मुझे फंसाया। मैं कोर्ट में गया, वडगांव मावल कोर्ट में गया और इन्होंने मुझे क्रिमिनल केस में फंसाने का और इनके लोगों ने फंसाने की साजिश की।
These details have emerged at a time when the Enforcement Directorate's lens is on the foreign funding received by Changur Baba.
अवैध धर्मांतरण के आरोपी जमालुद्दीन उर्फ छंगूर बाबा को लेकर ईडी ने अपनी जांच तेज कर दी है। 30 में से 18 बैंक अकाउंट की डिटेल्स ईडी को मिली है, जिसमें पता चला है कि अब तक कुल 68 करोड़ रुपए इन 18 बैंक अकाउंट में आए थे। बाबा को विदेशों से भी भारी फंडिंग हो रही थी। बीते 3 महीनों में इन 18 बैंक अकाउंट में 7 करोड़ से ज्यादा की विदेशी फंडिंग हुई। अब ईडी बाकी बचे बैंक अकाउंट की डिटेल, इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न और प्रॉपर्टी की डिटेल खंगाल रही है।
Meanwhile, Changur and Nasreen continue to sing in custody, revealing foreign funds and detailing payments made to as many as 1,000 Muslim youths who helped trap Hindu girls. Probe is also focused on cash payments made to the conversion gang operatives in 7 districts near the Indo-Nepal border.
From the primary interrogation of Changur Baba and Neetu alias Nasreen, a big conspiracy also revealed. As per sources, all these 3, including Changur Baba, Neetu and Naveen, were trying to get connected with ISI. For getting this ISI connection, all these 3 attended a secret meeting in Nepal with ISI operatives.
Probe has also revealed a possible nexus with Pakistan spy agency ISI. Changur Baba is learned to have travelled to Nepal recently to meet ISI operatives and offer his services to help Pakistan run its jihad ring in India. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has lauded the action against Changur Baba. He has also raised a red flag, saying that attempts are being made to create a communal divide.
कुछ धर्मांतरण की बातें सामने आई हैं। हम सरकार के स्तर पर तो कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं, आप भी इसमें थोड़ा सजग होइए। अनुसूचित जाति जनजाति के लोगों को कैसे धर्मांतरित करना, सबके रेट उसने तय किए हुए थे।
With Ashish Srivastav, Arvind Oja and Santosh Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.